Tā, atrodos kabīnītē, ja? Un es gribu, lai visi dzird, kā te dreb. Mēs te attējam no vienas, ja? Ārprāts.
Can you see anything shaky back?
I know. There is... Redzi, tur ir tā... Oh my... How long this sound will be?
I don't know.
Jā. Tā, nu es te guļu, redzi, kā es te guļu. Viena pati gultā. Un viss te dreb apkārt. Rekomends kaut kāds iedomu, tas te, kā viņi sauc, loks. Nekā te nav. Viņi mums te, jā, mēs guļam tādā tā kā hambarī. Oh, this is alright. I'm sorry.
Yeah, I guess. I'm just surprised we didn't have an announcement saying we were leaving or something.
That's what I feel like. Maybe there's something wrong. They didn't announce, and now they're shaking. Can you call front desk and ask something? Everything is fine? No, just, you know, I will. They're nothing. They're not saying anything either.
I feel like every time it slows down, it starts again.